Hello there and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can extend Python with compiled shared libraries, and we would like to use Go as the other programming language. And what we would like to do is create a Go script. We would like to compile it as a shared library and then use it in our Python script. So basically here is how we can do that. Well, this is basically a Fedora 32 installation. It's just a standard installation. I don't have anything extra deployed or done with it. It's just simply Fedora 32 fresh install. And why is it not loading? Oh, it's loading. So let's just put it back to full screen. Where is it? View, full screen. So first what we need to do is to open up a terminal. What I like to do is to increase the text size. So custom font, make it 18. And I would like to have the green on black. Great. So it feels like we are hackers. So mkdir compiled Go. Let's navigate to the compiled Go and use the sudo yum install go-y. It is going to basically go out and fetch Go, because we need Go to compile Go code to shared library. And once the installation is complete, here is how we can do that. We should open a file called, I don't know, library.go and write the following. We are almost there. So library.go. We would like to call this package main. Simply import only one external module, which is C, and we will have a function called hello world, and it is going to return the welcome to Go executed in Python. And we would like to have a function which is called multiply, and we will have the a, which is an integer, and b, which is also an integer, and we would like to return an integer and simply return a times b. And we will have the main function, which is basically just an empty function because we would like to import the shared library. And what is also important to create this comment and export, create this expression, so export multiply and export hello world. Let's save it, and we can issue the go build dash build mode equals c shared dash o library .so, and we use the library.go. And once what? Too many arguments. Let's enclose this. Underneath line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and let's return the string. Come on. Great. So as you may already have noticed, that Go is not my main profile, but now what we can do is to create a test.py, and here we need to import the C types, and we should load our library with the C types. cdll.load library, and we give it the library.so as path, so we are in the current folder, and hello world is going to be equal to the library.hello world, and multiply is going to be equal to the library.multiply. And what we would like to do is to print the hello world as function call, and print the multiply, what should it be, 9 times 7. And we can use the Python 3.8 test.py, and there we go. So this is going to be a little bit interesting. So we did not get the expected output, and what we could do is to go to the library.go and basically either import the log module, so log, and simply say that log.print line, then go ahead and enter our test library, delete this one, recompile the shared library, missing return at the end of the function, yeah, and we need to remove the string. Now it should be fine, and we can execute our test.py. So basically that's it. 9 times 3, 7 is 63, and we have successfully logged the message. And this is how easy it is to extend your Python with a shared library which is written in Go and compiled. So technically that was all I wanted to show you. See you in the next video.